Hello all of you, I am Ritanchi Jain and today through the medium of this video we will discuss what is IPR and its forms. To some extent you may already know the answer to this question. We know that the inventor of a machine to the author of a book or the writer of a music somehow usually own their work. From this ownership, certain consequences flow and you probably have been made aware of the fact that we cannot just copy or buy a copy of their work without consideration of their rights. Equally, original industrial design of furniture, wallpaper and like seems naturally to be owned by someone or some organization. So IPR are the rights given to the person over the creation of their mind. Intellectual property rights are the rights given to the person over the creation of their minds. They usually give their creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation of a certain period of time. Now let's come to the forms of the IPR and its legislation. For various administrative and historical reasons, intellectual property is usually dealt with under the following main headings: Copyright Act 1958, Trademark Act 1940, Patent Act 1970, Geographical Indication Act 1999 and the Industrial Design Act 1911. Now let's come up to the Copyright Act provides the copyright subsists in original literary, dramatical, musical work and sound recordings also. This protection of this property is governed by the laws concerning Copyright Act 1958. Literary, artistic and scientific work, for example, books. Now let's come up to the Trademark Act. The term marks is defined to include a device, brand, heading, label, ticket, name, signature, word, letter, goods, packaging, etc. Trademark service marks and commercial names and designations. In this course, the laws are covered within the trademark module, that is the Trademark Act 1940. Under the Patent Act, the traditional aspect of the novelty, non-obviousness and usually have been specifically included in the definition of the term invention. The grant of provides the inventor exclusive rights to the patented process, designs or invention for designated period in exchange for comprehensive disclosure of the invention. It is covered under the Patent Act 1970. As per according to the Design Act, design means only the features of the shape, configuration, patterns, ornaments or compositions of the lines or colors applied to any article. It is covered under Design Act 1991. According to the legislation of Geographical Indication Act, it is covered under Geographical Indication Act 1999. The article which is identified a good originating in a place where the given quality, reputation or other characteristic of a goods is essentially attributable to the geographical origin. Do you know World Intellectual Property Right is celebrated on 26th April every year. So that's it for now. We will cover these topics in the next session as well. Legislation related to IPR, Semiconductor Indicated, Protection of Plant and Variety and Biological Diversity Act 2000.